All right, hey everyone, here's a quick video of how to change the power steering reservoir fluid on a 2006 Honda Odyssey. There's a great video that I watched and I just wanted to make a shorter version of it. If you go to Honda Odyssey power steering fluid flush, it's gonna tell you everything you need to do in detail. It's about a 20-minute video, so I wanted to make something a little bit shorter. Before you start, get a new power steering reservoir, power steering fluid. I bought 3 of those and a set of these nipples. You're gonna need to put one on the existing reservoir in order for you to empty it. Other tools that you're gonna need is just some basic pliers. You're gonna need a hose that will connect to the power steering return, and then a container. It's an oil, so I'm just gonna go ahead and mix that with an engine oil and return it. So what you need to do, the sequence of the steps is actually quite simple. This hose it connects here to the return. What I have done first, I used a turkey baster to remove a little bit of the fluid so that the fluid level was below where this return hose goes. So I drained enough so my fluid was down toward the bottom of the reservoir. You can just do it with a turkey baster. In order to do that, you just remove the top, empty it out to the desired level, and then you want to return that. Once you have removed enough fluid, go ahead and put a little plastic nipple on top of the return clamp, just to make sure that if there is any fluid in there still, that fluid doesn't spill into your engine bay. You leave the second hose here connected. That hose goes to the power steering pump, which is this unit right here. This video doesn't deal with it. It looks like I might have to replace it soon. I have a little bit of a leak there. Then what you're gonna need is some kind of a hose that will fit into the return that was originally attached here to the return nipple that goes into the reservoir. I just had a hose that I was able to secure, and then I'm emptying out the oil here. In order for you to actually empty the reservoir, I watched this, and you can ask someone to help you start the car. You're gonna need to run it for about 5 or 6 seconds. Hit the gas once you have it started, and what's going to happen, the pump for the power steering is going to draw the remaining fluid out through this hose into the power steering, and then it's going to come back out via the return hose that you have now attached to your secondary hose, and it's going to empty out all the fluid. So I now have no fluid remaining in the power steering reservoir. I'm going to use some clamps to remove this clamp and loosen the clamp, remove that, and I'm just going to go ahead and reconnect the new reservoir. The reservoir is exactly the same configuration. It's from Honda. It has that little gray dot here, which means this is a newer version. I guess there were some issues with the power steering reservoirs from the original generation that caused some issues with power steering pressure at low speeds. So they've made a slightly a redesigned version of it, and that's what that dot indicates. So I'm gonna loosen the bottom clamp here, remove the old reservoir, put the new reservoir in, and then reclamp both the bottom and the top hoses, and then I'm gonna refill it. The refill process will take a few steps. You're gonna have to refill it to the top, run the engine until you have enough oil returning back into the reservoir, and just make sure that once you've filled it, it is between the upper and the lower level limits. Again, you can refer to the video that I referenced earlier, Honda Odyssey power steering fluid flush, for more details about this.